So yeah guys, welcome to another one. In this tutorial we're gonna be solving what these trigonometric equations, right? You're gonna be proving actually, right? So we have a proof in the left hand side. This is the question number 21. Basically we're doing question number 21, right? So if how would you go about this, right? The first thing you do is to indicate your marker that you're gonna be solving what the left hand side. So it's cos 2x minus what? Minus cos x, right? That's all over what? Sine 2x plus what? Plus sine x, right? So the first thing you do is that you see what? You see that in this equation, the numerator you have a double angle, right? So in the numerator you solve for that double angle. So it would be 2 cos squared x minus 1 minus cos x, basically, right? Also for the denominator, guys, for the denominator you see that this is a sine double angle, right? So you solve for the double angle, so it would be 2 sine x cos x plus sine x, basically, right? So let's get on with it. So now what you need to do is that you see that let's rearrange our numerator to be in a nice neatly format so that we can see actually how what is what, right? So you see that here it's what you have sine x and also you have what sine x. So basically what you do is that you take one common factor outside the bracket. So you're gonna take sine x outside the bracket, so you're gonna be left with what? With 2 cos x plus 1, right? So yeah guys, so also you see that in the numerator we have a quadratic equation of functions, basically, right? So this is the same thing as 2x squared minus x minus 1, right? So if you were able to factorize this, guys, you'll be able to do that, right? So let's try to factorize this. So it would be what? It would be 2x plus 1 and then what? It's gonna be x minus 1, right? So same thing here, guys, there's nothing rocket science or anything. So this would be what? This would be 2 cos x plus 1 and then what? Cos x what? Minus 1, right? Also in the denominator we have what? We have sine x 2 cos x plus 1, right? So meaning that we do have what? We do have like terms, guys. You see these are two like terms, and also there's a multiplication operation sign between them, right? So meaning that you can cancel this side and also you can cancel this side. So you'll be left with what? You'll be left with cos x minus 1 over sine x. I believe we've solved the equation. Yeah, we've solved it. So let's see, therefore the left hand side is equals to what? The right hand side, right? So guys, if you reach this point in this video, consider subscribing to my channel so that you cannot miss any video of any sort, because you're gonna be going through all the grade 12 curriculum, right? Your functions, your Euclidean geometry, everything, right? So you're gonna be going through everything, guys. So make sure you subscribe so that you can get an A for mathematics, right? So yeah guys, thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one.